And I think just to leave everybody with one really powerful story that we developed together, well, it was all Luciano's work, just using ViroWorks. We built a very powerful use case in Japan. And I'll let Luciano end with that just because that's such a beautiful story. And in a world where so many people are losing their jobs because of AI, where so many people are falling behind, where so many translators are losing their income. And I'll let Luciano talk about it.
Our partnership with Japan, and I think that we can kind of focus more on the single mom program, because we also work with refugees in Japan in the automation engineering side of the business. But my department, at some point in time, I kind of realized that with AI, there was a good chance that some of our stakeholders would actually create content directly in a target language without English source. I kind of started to think about how can I handle that? You know, this is probably going to happen. I was fortunate enough that one of my team members in Japan suggested to work with a partner who supports opportunities for single moms. A couple, I guess, you know, they divorced in Japan. The husband doesn't have a lot of obligations to the wife, and they're left with a very difficult life because they have to raise their children. And most companies in Japan will not hire someone who has to take breaks or has some kind of a limitation on the hours they work very long hours. So I said, well, you know, we can solve this problem. We can maybe find Japanese moms who want to get reskilled. They want to learn automation and they want to get a better job so they can work anytime they want, a more flexible approach, and get better pay. So this partner was able to connect me with 3 Japanese single moms, and we worked out on a very flexible schedule with them. ViroWorks supported us in training them and using the BWX platform for this. And we successfully trained 2 of them. They already have permanent jobs in Japan with corporate jobs. They work from home, and I'm working with 1 and onboarding 2 more. They basically don't need to know English. They just look at the translation in Japanese, and if it's making sense, and they are learning our program, so they certify on our products. They read a lot of content in Japanese about our products, so they know a lot of what we're saying in the content. We found a safe set of content that they can work on, and it's been a successful program. So that's one story among many others.